Oh, look.
Whatever's on there.
Whoa, that's like a cat.
Could be. Come on. Doesn't fight like a cat though.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. All right.
He's giving up now, yeah, you betcha.
Yeah, once he realizes he's hooked. Game on.
Right. Hit an impasse here and we're not going to give in.
Careful you don't hit that bucket.
He just doesn't want to come.
I'm trying to. Well, he's doing what my sturgeon did that one day. Tries to stay up under the boat. Maybe you got yourself a little sturge.
The guy that I was working with at the recycling, he just caught a 30-incher the night before he came over to work. I don't know, you want to come up? If he gets right up here, and he don't, just like he puts the brake, whoop.
Yeah, he's. I bet that's a sturgeon. Hopefully we get a nice jump out of him. He's trying to stay up under this thing. Okay, I'm trying to. He's going to try to run towards your motor.
Look at him shake. You see a pole shake?
Yeah.
He shakes his head.
Yeah, boy, this is just reminding me of a sturgeon. Wow. This is when you really need a tiller. Could be a flathead, but I haven't seen any bubbles. All right, finally something to really see out here. Here we go, folks. We're gonna see ourselves a nice fish today.
Yeah, he did not want to come up. He's
No.
doing his best. Okay, come on, baby, we're coming up.
Yeah, you wish. Wow, I can't even see color. But he is doing the absolute sturgeon. I'm gonna stay under your boat. Come on, turn.
Whatever it is, it's big.
He's looking for a way to hit either the trolling motor or the back motor. That's.
I've never seen antics like that.
I did. The last one I caught out here.
Oh, there he is.
What do we got? Big cat.
Oh, that's a big catfish.
Nice cat.
Man.
Come on. Get up in there. There you go. Oh, that's a big one.
That is one big catfish.
Good old St. Croix. Never know what you're gonna catch.
Always a mystery. All right, baby.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
How's that one?
That's nice.
Boom back.
Be careful, don't you go in.
I didn't want to go in with him.
Oh, that was cool. Very cool.